Hello everyone, Henry Lucero here with Arrow Electric Service with another electrical educational video. Today I'd like to talk to you about power strips, such as the one I have here. Everybody uses them, they're a necessity, but they can also be a fire hazard. A lot of times people overload these by plugging a lot of things into them and they don't know what the amperage draw is or the load. And these devices, unfortunately, are very cheaply made nowadays. They come from a lot of places overseas. They're very cheaply made. They're not very good. It's hard to find good quality power strips. You can look from, the best thing to do is they make them in a 15 amp power strip, which this is a 15 amp, and they make it in a 20 amp power strip. Look around, take your time, look around, and try to find a power strip that's at least 20 amps, because that carries a lot more amperage than the 15 amp. It's a lot more robust and more heavy duty. This one is UL listed. It shows it on the back, but like I said, unfortunately, a lot of the manufacturers from overseas are not don't have a UL listing, so they're not very good. They're cheaply made. When you overload these devices, they melt and they can catch fire, and they catch fire. Been into a lot of homes and people have every one of these filled with plugs. They don't know what the current draw is, and they have them behind a bookcase, behind a bed, by the curtains, and it's a big no-no. These things can be very dangerous. They do cause a lot of fires. So try not to overload your power strips. I mean, if you don't want to plug in a space heater or curling irons and blow dryers into these, more than one. Even one curling iron or one blow dryer draws quite a bit of amperage, so you have to be careful where you plug these into. So again, just they're good devices. They have their purpose, but don't overload them, because when you overload them, they're gonna melt and they can catch fire. When they start to turn color right here, you can see if they're turning brownish or even black. You know that you're overloading, that it's getting hot. So if you have any questions, just give us a call, and we'd be glad to answer any of your questions that you have regarding power strips. Again, like always, like and subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.